Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing of this Canon PIXMA TR8622a. By the way, it's exactly the same thing as the TR8620a. This is just the model which is produced, as far as I know, more or less exclusively for Walmart. Some people are saying there is a little bit of a difference regarding the software, how you can connect it. And they are saying with the 22A, which is the Walmart edition, you need an app for like Airprint for Apple. So you cannot print directly from the iOS, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But there's one big thing about this printer. It's very important to know. It's a huge advantage with this printer compared to, I would say, 99% of all the printers on the market these days. And I'm going to explain that during this video, and that was the reason why I bought it. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. I bought it at full price, which is currently around $130, which I think is pretty reasonable for this printer. And I mean, we have pretty much all the functions which we can expect these days. It's supporting wireless printing, it has a scanner, and it's printing duplex. Also very important to know regarding the printing cartridges. These are supported ink cartridges. Yeah, here also some description: wireless print, Copier, scan, ADF. That's automatic document feed. And so this is how it looks from the top. So here we have some information. Then the accessories. So here we have the printer itself. Yeah, the rest of the box is empty. So let's remove this part here and the protection on the left side. And so here we have it. So it's not a very large printer, but also not a super small one. And so here in the back we have all the connections. We have the power. We have two phone connections, one line, one external. That's, I guess, for the fax. Then we have the Ethernet port and one USB. And from underneath we have these 4 soft rubber feet. And that's it from the front. Get this sticker here, another sticker, and the paper tray here. There's another tray here, can't find out what it is. Let's put it back. The tray supports a couple of different sizes. Let's also remove this. So let's put this back. Also here underneath some tape. Yeah, I think we are done now with the tape. So what's really cool here is that we have so many different options to open. Of course, that's the scanner, but here inside, watch this thing. So we have access to almost everything. If you have some problem, if there is some paper stuck or so, printer cartridges come here. Of course, what's important to know what we get as accessories. We get really a phone cable or fax cable, then the power supply 2-prong, and then we get a set of ink cartridges, 5 different cartridges. You can see we get a large 280 black, 281 also black, then the 281 in yellow, 281 red, and 281 blue. And we get also some glossy photo paper, safety and important information. And then the full instructions manual says TR8600 series. Not extremely detailed, but we have some information in English and Spanish, I would say. Yeah, that's it. So what's the big deal here, and the reason why I show this to you? I mean, this looks at the moment just like any kind of normal standard printer, like we see it in a similar way since I would say 20 years or so, nothing special. So there wouldn't be a lot of reason to make this video for you. But I can tell you the big reason is actually this thing here. That's the printer cartridges. And the print cartridges are the biggest cost factor these days for inkjet printing. Usually these printers are very cheap. You can buy even some below $100, including the first set. But when you buy the next set, it can easily cost $30, $40, $50 whatsoever. For the whole set can be super expensive. And for most of the new printers, it's impossible to buy third-party ink cartridges. But for this one, it's still possible. TR8600 series with this type of printing cartridges. You can look it up on eBay, on Amazon. You can still find these cartridges from third party, and you can even find the whole set for only $10, while you would have to pay much more for some other printers which are maybe $10 or $20 cheaper. But after that you have to pay a fortune for the normal original printer cartridges from Canon or Brother or whatever brand. It's super difficult to find something like that. I would say for 99% of the printers which are sold these days, you have two choices. Either it's very cheap, so they are usually at around $100, very luxury printers maybe $200, but they come then with super expensive printer cartridges where you don't find any from third-party manufacturers. Or you buy very expensive, usually rather older printers which are usually $500 or $600, super expensive, and there you can still find some third-party manufactured printer cartridges, but then there are usually older printers as well. Maybe they don't have the latest Wi-Fi support or so it's a huge advantage when we can buy something new. I mean, this thing came out I think about 1 year ago, so it's a very new printer, which is something which I highly recommend, because the older printers can have huge problems with Wi-Fi, so that's much easier here, and we still have the possibility for cheap third-party manufactured inkjet cartridges. That's the big deal here. Again, TR8600 series, that's the thing which you want if you want to save some money. Yeah, and that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and show you something interesting where you can save a lot of money. By the way, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of this printer down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe better solutions, maybe you have found a better one, cheaper one, whatsoever, which also allows for third-party manufactured cheap cartridges, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.